Here we go. These are my favorite things to collect. I actually counted them. I don't know why, but I actually counted them the other day. And I have 665 of these.
What are these?
Littlest pet shops, right? Every time I see these, I pick these up. I don't sell them anymore, but I used to sell them all the time in the beginning when I first started. And they're just little pets by Hasbro. You want to look for the ones in the early 2000s, like 2003 to 2008. Usually the best ones to go for. Dogs, cats, and just sitting on this table here is about $60 to $70. If you believe that. I paid
if you believe that.
I paid $14.99 for this bag. So these things, if you see these with more than a couple of them in a bag, you should buy them. And like they come with little set parts and cages and thingies. That's what they look like right there.
So if you're at a Goodwill or a Savers and you find maybe like a couple of these little ones right here, maybe 5 or 6 in a bag, what are you looking to pay?
5 or 6 in a bag, don't pay more than $3.99.
Okay.
But usually I've seen these in bigger bags for like $14.99, but you'll get like 25 figures in there, and that's when it really makes a lot of sense. Like I've made decent money, and the older ones, the better. Like I remember I got 2005. I found a bunch of 2005 of them. I paid $14.99, and they were all dogs and cats from 2005. I ended up selling it for like $96 in auction.
And this is how you get your sales to $7,000 a month. You start to learn about these various toys and come across these jackpot lots that people just don't know about.
Yeah, so you gotta learn. Like the whole point is, I'm not giving you a tool to just completely make you money to be lazy and make you money. Like you're gonna learn something. Like you're gonna actually know that, okay, this is a newer one, this doesn't go for as much, but if I find like a older one, and there are a bunch of older ones from 2005, then you're gonna make some money.
Wow. These are some items that people can go out and they can start finding. Be on the lookout at garage sales. Be on the lookout locally on Facebook, on Craigslist, on Licko, right? I know you scooped up some stuff.
And you know what's crazy is even if these are damaged, some of them, some kids write on them with markers.
Yeah.
Some get damaged. You can still sell the damaged ones for parts or OOAK, one of a kind, because they're literally artists that go through and they refurbish them. They fix them up, they repaint them different ways.
That's so cool.
So even screwed up ones, like see this one, it's got marker on it, on the eyes. You can still sell this. These animals here, the birds, and I think I got an owl here. These are called little live pets, and most of these have a little felt feeling to them. You feel them? They're nice. They feel real, and they have functions. Let's see if I got any of that working right now.
I don't think this one works.
No, this guy.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, you got him working.
Well, he worked once.
And these are fairly valuable in lots.
What are these called?
Little live pets.
Little live pets, and these are. What kind of, is this like a little...
It's a battery-operated toy that...
It's not a pigeon, what is it?
Talks
Where is it?
Moves. It's a bird. This is a parrot.
It's a bird.
This is an owl. Are we doing a video on how to identify animals or toys? This is a dragon, Steve, or a dinosaur. That's a monkey. Okay.
That's a bear.
But I just wanted to touch on some things about these little live pets. See, here you've got a complete one. He's got his little cage. He's like snatched into that cage. So these are not too valuable, but I see them priced really low because...
Sorry, this thing's like going crazy.
You can just switch it off. They're not super valuable, but they are still pretty popular and people still do buy them. You're gonna wanna find them with their homes, and they're generally priced pretty low at the thrift store because they don't really know what it is.
What's this thing worth, if you had to guess, with the bird cage and the bird?
20, 25 bucks.
Really?
Yeah.
So imagine guys going to a garage sale, guys and gals, going to a garage sale, maybe seeing a box with like 18, 20 birds, maybe 4 or 5 bird cages. I mean, is that something that you can come across?
Yeah,
a garage
of
sale?
course. And for example, like here is a bag from Savers. I didn't open it yet. It's $3.99, and I get one, two, three.
$2.99.
Oh, it's $2.99. These are different. These are a little bit of a different brand. It's Digibirds, and these kind of have the same value as them, but I get the little play set with these guys. So from $3, I may be able to get 20, 25 for this.
Wow,
And
really?
it's not too heavy. It probably will go under a pound.
Yeah, wow, that's really cool. Interesting.
And then, so that's a good tip. Try to find them in lots, or the bigger ones tend to do well, like the Parrot.
What do you think the Parrot's worth individually?
15 to 20.
So
Working. In good working condition.
How do you test if these work? Are there batteries that you have to switch out?
So yeah, there's a screw, and you take the batteries and you put the batteries in.
What kind of batteries are they? Like double AAAs or?
I think they're most of the time going to be watch batteries. Some might be AA's.
Okay.
Or AAA's actually.
Okay.
So it's great to test those. Now here's one that, this is gonna be cool because it's a Polly Pocket compact heart, okay?
Okay. I have no idea what that means.
Polly Pocket.
Yeah.
It's a compact. It's like a little set, a little play set in here.
Oh,
now,
got it.
The cool thing about this is I rattled it and I noticed there was stuff in there, so I'm praying and hoping that there's a bunch of
We're gonna open this up live to see if there's a jackpot in there.
I'm hoping.
You guys show them. This thing's stapled still. It's still stapled.
Closed. I'm hoping it's a ton of little Polly Pocket figures in there. Yeah, shake just that part.
Wait, didn't we talk about this in a video? Remember the castles and then you pulled out the little
Yeah,
door? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
And what are these
hoping.
little tiny people worth again?
Like a lot. Just individually, maybe 20, 10, 20, 30. They're up there. You hear it.
Hold on.
Right?
I want to put it right up against my chest for the mic. I hear it.
It doesn't seem that much. All right, this could be awesome.
Oh, God.
I hope it's not some candy or something. You never know with kids, right?
Hold on, give it another shake. That sounds like multiple.
it's
Hold on. Bring him inside. Bring him
Sounds
inside.
like, I hope it's
Hold on, show it to the
good.
people first.
What the?
What the heck is that? That's not. I don't know what those are.
Oh,
What are those? Hold on. What are those? Those are not what we're looking for.
they're not Polly Pocket.
Ah, darn.
Well, unfortunately, there was no Polly Pockets in here, but this is still the castle, the Heart Castle.
So what is it called if
compact.
people want to look up what we're actually talking about? Polly Pocket miniature
This
figures?
is a Polly Pocket Heart Compact, and I believe it's the castle. If you look up,
But what are the minifigures called that we're talking about that weren't in here?
just Polly Pocket, vintage Polly Pocket dolls.
Mini?
Mini, yeah.
Okay. So we'll put some pictures on the screen of those.
Damn, they're charms. What are these? Yeah, great. I was so excited thinking
You
there's
get to
gonna be
see
a bunch
Vinny
of little...
self-implode live on a Raking Profit.
What am I gonna do?
He
with
was
this?
like convinced it was.
Hey, if anybody knows what these things are, please drop a comment, because I'm gonna have a tough time finding out what these are. Hey, maybe these are 20 bucks each. Who
I
knows?
don't know. Maybe that's gonna be in the next guide.
So this was a little bit of a disappointment. Usually if you shake these and there's noise in them, you will find the little dolls in there, but this wasn't in there. This compact will probably still sell for 15, 20 bucks.
Why didn't you just rip open the bag and see? Does Savers not like if you rip open the bag or?
I wanted to save it for here.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to save it for
Will
this
you
video.
rip a bag open though if you're not sure about something? Like, what is Savers' thoughts on that?
Just don't get caught doing it. But I mean, you're purchasing it, right? I mean, it's not like you're in a store and you're gonna open a brand new box.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna be purchasing this, sometimes I'll ask them. I say, please, can I open this to check out if someone's in there? Like video games, sometimes they put them in bags. I say, hey, can I
Savers
please open this?
is weird
to see?
sometimes. Sometimes they'll like Savers will sometimes price something that you have to open up at like a ridiculous price, and they don't want you to open the bag. And it's like, okay, come on, guys, you guys offer no refunds. Like,
Yeah. But still, even though this was a disappointment,
break down the value of this bag now.
I'm pretty sure this is about 15 to 20 bucks. It's in great condition inside. Nothing's broken. Everything's here except for the little people. But I still think I can get 15 to 20 bucks with it. It's 1992 by Bluebird, so it's one of the earlier sets, so that's great. And the next one is, these are one of my favorite toys to play, to like mess around with.
These are so neat. I never knew these existed.
These are called Zoobles.
Zach, zoom in for them. This is really cool.
And
What?
they're
Spell that?
Zoobles, Z-O-O-B-L-E-S. And they're by Spin Master Limited, Spin Master.
Got it.
And they come with these little pods. And as you can see right here, you take the figure, it has a little magnet on the bottom, and you put it on, and it pops out into the animal. So it goes from ball.
How much you want for that if I try to buy it off
ball to animal? I'll give you $5. And then the more expensive ones are the bigger ones, and they also pop up.
What's this worth right here? This whole set. If you were to put this in a lot.
This guy does not belong to this. I just wanted to bring a bigger one.
Okay.
But just this little purple thing, I could probably sell for $10 because she's with her pod. It belongs.
And it doesn't seem like a lot of money, $10, but you're getting it in a bag with 5, 6, 7, 8 other items.
Yeah, this cost me maybe 50 cents, the whole thing, you know? Sometimes I'll find these with pods in a bag for $3.99 off 7 or 8 of them. Like, that's the value of like $70. These are McDonald's Madame Alexander dolls.
What?
Yeah, they model little dolls after Madame Alexander, and these go well in lots. And the more money is paid for the Wizard of Oz dolls. See, here's one Wizard of Oz doll.
I did not know McDonald's created these, Madame Alexander.
Here's another Wizard of Oz. Like the Wizard of Oz, if you get the whole set of Wizard of Oz, I've seen them go for $40, $50.
Really?
Yeah, I've literally seen this whole listing.
Wow.
But you got to get every single one.
Yeah.
So these go pretty well in big lots. Like
what years are these from?
I don't know. They're all different. It's not going to tell me here, but around the 2000s.